Welcome! We are glad to have you back at Cicada by Circa 1900. For your safety, please follow our health protocols upon entering the restaurant. Please wear a face mask at all times. No mask, no entry. Allow us to take your temperature and sanitize your shoes before entering the restaurant. Fill up our health checklist form. A QR code will be provided for contactless submission. Once seated, social distancing should be observed. You may scan the QR code provided for the copy of the menu as well as the drinks list. Contactless alcohol dispensers are also provided within the restaurant premises. Paper bags are provided in each seat so you can place your mask in for you to enjoy the food. We are now open daily from 10 in the morning to 9 in the evening. Prior reservation is advised. We also understand that some of you, dining in is not an option right now. We can still deliver from our kitchen to your home. Just send us a message at 0917-655-5005. Thank you.